Best Fortnite settings for low-end PC and config. Hello everyone, if you want to get the best performance and a huge FPS boost for Fortnite on a low-end PC, follow these steps. Firstly, you will need to adjust your in-game video settings. For that, open your Fortnite game on your device. After opening, you will need to go to your graphics menu. But before that, go to your settings. In settings, go to your display settings. Now in display settings, you need to set these settings. You can even pause the video if you want. The display settings should be 1920 into 1080. Make sure that the graphics has 100% brightness. You can also see the settings for your graphics quality and advanced graphics. Now on your settings in the display section, you should see these kind of options. Under the section graphics, you should see the options brightness, user interface contrast, and color blind mode. There are also other graphics quality options that you need to set up. For example, the 3D resolution should be around 60 to 80%. Make sure that the view distance is set to near or medium. Also turn off your shadows and set textures to low. So that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.